Argparse, default value for Nargs equals asterisk. I tried to use this statement, but got this error. What I want to do is, if m is an args list but without any value, args.music will give me true. If m is an args list and have n values, args.music will give me a list of all values. If m is not an args list, args.music will return false. The second and last one worked, but when I tried to use const, I got an error.
The following hack after the Argparse section solves your problem. Tested in the command line, it gives
You could use a custom action. If you have only one argument to handle this way, then it's simpler. If you have many such arguments, then defining a custom action could reduce the repetition and help ensure all those arguments are treated the same way.
what about? Output.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.